Creating an unsubscribe link in Klaviyo is essential for email compliance and user satisfaction. It allows recipients to opt out of your email list if they no longer wish to receive your messages. Here's how to create an unsubscribe link in Klaviyo. Log into Klaviyo. Open your Klaviyo account. Create or edit an email campaign. Navigate to the campaign section from the dashboard. Choose an existing campaign or click Create Campaign to start a new one. Add the unsubscribe link. In the email editor, navigate to the section where you want to place the unsubscribe link. Select a text block and type a message like unsubscribe from our emails or click here to unsubscribe. Highlight the text you just typed and then click the insert button in the toolbar. From the drop-down menu, choose unsubscribe link. Insert the unsubscribe link. Klaviyo will automatically insert the unsubscribe link into the text block. This link is dynamic, so when the recipient clicks on it, they will be unsubscribed from your email list. Preview and test. Preview the email to ensure the unsubscribe link works properly. You can send a test email to verify it. Save and send. Save your email and proceed to send your campaign.